Today is filming day for me. Flipping the camera, I have my ring light over there, and now I'm just trying to set up the volume. Here's my laptop and everything else in here. I gotta still wash those brushes. I have all my stuff for today's not really tutorial but video that I'm gonna do, so we'll see how it goes. I finally just finished recording. It took me forever to get this done. I hope that next time it's gonna be faster to get this done because I didn't have a setup. So now that I figure out everything, hopefully next time will be faster. This is the look that I recreated from yesterday. And this is the aftermath. So messy. Yes, I was pumping in between. Welcome to mom life. I have to figure out a way to get rid of these creases because they're annoying. Good day to you all. Hi. You almost say hi. Today I'm gonna be making some homemade desserts because we run out of things. I just have to use whatever I already have in the kitchen. This is a plant-based on the budget book by Tony. I love this book. It has come in really handy whenever we are you know, on a tight budget. The Depression era cupcakes, I thought it was perfect. Not only because it uses very simple ingredients. It's gonna be the flour. Are you gonna help me bake? Yeah. It uses flour, some sugar of your choice, some cocoa powder, some baking soda, some oil, some cider vinegar, a little bit of salt, and vanilla. It seemed like there wasn't enough. Like the recipe said that it was for 12 cupcakes, but when I was filling them up it didn't seem even for some reason. Seems like a good consistency, but they're not sweet at all. Side note, when you're on a budget, great things to buy are lentils and potatoes. Just add potatoes, lentils. I had a can of diced tomatoes and just put a little bit of like taco seasoning, like a pack of this, and have it in a Instant Pot if you have one, or just cook it in a regular pot, and there you go. I added some dairy-free sour cream, and you can sometimes dip it with some bread. So this is the final result of the cupcake case. The actual cupcakes didn't turn out that great. They didn't have a lot of flavor, so I decided to put something on top, which is the whipped instant coffee that's going around. This is one of my usual breakfasts and it helps me keep my breast milk supply up. It's oatmeal, some soy milk, a little bit of cinnamon. Sometimes I like to add walnuts or like cranberries or raisins or like any kind of fruit. A little bit of cane sugar, flaxseed, and that's it. I'm gonna mix it all together and just make sure that I like to put a little bit more of milk on it so it's not so thick. I can eat it cold or warm, just depends how I'm feeling. Now you want to smile after throwing a fit, huh? You didn't want your breakfast? Apple, raspberry, and avocado. Yeah. Good girl. Well done. Since I have more time now at home, I figured I should start decluttering a lot of things. I want to start doing some of the closet here. It is a total mess. When we moved here, we were kind of in a rush to do it, so I just had to put up all the clothes that I had. And the thing is too, I'm sharing the closet with my daughter. Up to here, you know, it's all of her clothes. It's mostly like the onesies, dresses, and some of the sweaters and things on there. And then she still has this one here that we got at a garage sale. As you can tell, it's for a boy. We plan to get it all pink and cute for this little girl. But in the meantime, I use this space to put up her pants here, and then her PJs. Some of the winter stuff, like her beanies here, is kind of empty because my mom is working on putting buttons on some of the bibs that she's got, because a lot of them have like Velcro, and she is just so good at taking them off. So we're gonna add buttons on the back, then just like little things here and there, her bows, and on the bottom, let me push it back, little girl. It's just her shoes, her socks. I need to get her more socks. She's been losing all her white ones. And I think that's pretty much it. At the back stuff is just kind of random, like her pacifier holders. At least her stuff is done. Here's just the basket where I throw her dirty laundry, some leftover hangers. These tubs here, this one here is just clothes that has been passed down that I can use. But half of this one is already filled up with clothes that she already went old, like she doesn't fit anymore, so I'm gonna be giving her away to a friend who's expecting a baby girl. And then the bottom one is mostly for like 1 year old and up. She won't be able to get into those till a little later. Her birthday will be in September. So the next thing is just getting my stuff, and I just need to declutter. I've had a lot of these clothes for years, and I have a lot of maternity clothes in between, so I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. Super cluttered. And then I have this like one piece of closet on the bottom where I'm keeping like my underwear and other random things in there. So hopefully this girl lets me finish. I can show you guys what it looks like after. Yeah? You gonna let me do it? You gonna let me work? Mwah. Most of the time I'm not able to finish whatever project I'm doing because this little girl requires a lot of attention. So I had to feed her and change her diaper. She wants to hang around, so I think I'm gonna have to carry her with me. I was just thinking to myself when I was changing her diaper that I'm really fortunate to have a lot of, to have been given a lot of things since the baby shower. What we got the most was diapers. We haven't had to buy any diapers. Finally, we're down to the last pack that we have. What's been really difficult to find is wipes. Every time we go out to all kinds of stores, we haven't had any luck with wipes. I'm just thankful to God that I had a really wonderful pregnancy last year, and I can't imagine being pregnant in the position that we're at, and I just feel so bad for, you know, the pregnant ladies out there that are, you know, under the stress, because stress is so bad for you when you're pregnant. You know, your baby can feel that too, and my heart goes out to all the pregnant ladies and all the new mommies out there whether you are a first-time mom or you're a mom again for the second, third, or fourth time. I'm probably going to put up some of my favorite verses that have just worked wonders for me whenever stress is coming. There's just a lot of uncertainty during these times. I hope that you find comfort in them. Just hang in there. But we'll continue with the vlog in the meantime. Hopefully I can get that closet done by today.